Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Friends, you will see in flowers, so big size flowers, lots of flowers, and there are excellent flowers are there. So, I have told one technique, one recipe of fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, how they use it, how they prepare it just from the nursery, and just I am sharing which amounts, which things you have to take taking around 2 liter of water. So if you learn this process, you will be learn the mastery of gardening in this process. In 2 liters of water, I will be adding 100 gram of mustard cake powder. This is easily available in nursery store or any of these fodder store. This is mustard cake powder. I am taking around 100 gram, and in that I will be adding around 100 gram of groundnut cake powder. Groundnut cake powder are available in nurseries nowadays. So groundnut powder is excellent, and you can see this is whitish powder, and this is brownish, and this one is whitish color. So this is groundnut cake powder is also very nutritious, among the best fertilizer available in the market. So they are selling around 50 to 60 rupees kilo groundnut cake powder. Now I'll be adding a special thing, jaggery or gur. This is akher gur in Bengali they call it, and I am adding around 20 gram of jaggery or gur in this. Jaggery or gur are very nutritious. They contains lots of iron and different macronutrients and micronutrients as well. So they will help in fermentation also. And if you have mix it around 100 ml of boiled rice water. This is mud, bhater mud they are called. So this is add around, if you have then you can add. And in that we will be adding fresh cow dung. This is fresh cow dung, around 100 gram of fresh cow dung I will be adding here. So this contains lots of nitrogen, immense quantity of nitrogen they have, and mix it well, and we will ferment it for around 4 days to 8 days. So in 4 days or 8 days they will be totally fermented, and preparation will be ready. Now another thing, very new thing to me also, they are using dried fish. Dried fish, they are soaking dried fish around 100 gram of dried fish. This is in Bengali called sutki mach. Sutki mach or dried fish. Take around 100 gram of dried fish and soak it in around 2 liters of water. They contains immense quantity of micronutrients and as well amino acids also. So the amino acids are very helpful for special and enormous growth of the plants. So I am adding 2 liter of water in that, and I will be soaking it around 4 to 8 days. Around 8 days I will be soaking it, just to soak it around 8 days. And now the third item is very important. What they do, just I am showing you. In 1 liter of water I am adding around 20 gram of DAP. This is 20 gram of DAP granules. They do not dissolve easily. They take around 48 hours for dissolving it. Now let them dissolve. And for the protection from the insect attack, insect infestation, I will be adding little amount of chloropyrifos insecticide. Any kind of insecticide you have, then you can add, so that the flies or any of the insects do not lay eggs in your solution, because they are very prone to insect infestation here. So I am adding around 3 to 4 gram of insecticides. This is chloropyrifos insecticide I am adding in this solution, so that they will be protected from insect infestation. And as the nursery people, the experts are adding little bit of fungicide also, that they have told me that add a little bit of fungicide. So I am adding sap fungicide around 2 gram here. So add around 2 gram of fungicide and let it soak, and let it ferment for around 8 days. And after 8 days I will be showing how to mix it, in which proportion you have to mix it, and let it soak it for 8 days also. And after 8 days I will be showing which amount you have to mix and how you can apply on the plants. Especially I am applying in the dahlia plants, and if you want you can apply on other season flower plants also. Let's be. Welcome back, friends, after 8 days. Now all my samples are ready. Now this is the time to prepare the mixing of the things. This is dried fish I have soaked around 8 days ago. Now this is the situation. Just stir it properly and mix it thoroughly so that they can dissolve it properly in water. This is the first thing. Second thing is the DAP that I have soaked in water, around 1 liter of water, 20 gram of DAP. Now they are totally dissolved, and this solution I will be adding. And here the main solution that I have added, this is greenish, yellowish solution, bluish solution you can see. And this is the main mix. So now how much you have to take, in which amount of water you have to dilute. Very, very carefully please note it, how you can add, so that I have taken around 5 liters of water in this bucket, and in 5 liter of water which amount of which proportion I am adding and how you can apply, just watch it and learn the process. And this is the best process for any season flower plant, for any flower show competitions. You can earn rewards here. So this is 5 liter water I have taken in my bucket, plain water, and in that I will be adding around 100 ml of DAP water. DAP mixed water I am adding around 100 ml. Just watch it. And this one is a dried fish solution, and I'll be adding around 200 ml of this solution. This contains lots of micronutrients and amino acids. So I'll be adding 200 ml of this fish water. So around 200 ml of fish water. Now I will be adding this main composition, main mixture that I am adding. So let it be, and I will be adding this one. So this is the fish water. Now this is the main mixture I am taking. Around 800 ml of main mixture I am just stir it properly, mix it properly. And then I am adding around 800 ml to 1 liter in this solution. So total this contains around more than 6 liter of solution. So around 6 or 6.5 liter of solution. Now you can apply in your pots or in your garden, directly in the garden, in the plants. Just watch it how I am applying in plants. These are my dahlia plants, you can see, and we have grown from the cuttings. And apply around 200 ml in each plant. Just below sides at the stem area, you have to apply around 200 ml in each plant. If you are applying in pot, then you can apply 100 ml will be sufficient. But if you are applying in the plants grown in garden, then you apply around 200 ml, and you have to apply once in 10 days. If you apply once in 10 days or 15 days time, you will see enormous growth, huge growth in this plant, and you will see the enormous size, big size flowers. You can see that the saucer shaped big size flowers you can get. So this is the process, and just learn it and note it down the process. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.